how to fix error code 0XC004F213 in Windows 10 and 11. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the error code 0XC004F213, also known as the Windows activation error in Windows 10 or 11. Let's get started. So first, click on the Start menu or press the Windows key on your keyboard. So in the search bar, type Activation Settings. Here, click Activation Settings. So in the activation window, you should see a troubleshoot option here. So if your system is experiencing activation issues, click on it to start diagnosing the problem. In this case, there's no problem here. But once there is a problem, the troubleshooter should scan the computer. You'll see the option that says, I changed hardware on this device recently. So if this option is available, select it to proceed. So a new window will pop up, prompting you to log in with your Microsoft account, enter your credentials, and log in. So after logging in, you'll see a list of devices associated with your Microsoft account. Find and select your current device from the list. So click on the Activate button once it shows, and this should resolve the error and activate your copy of Windows. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the error code 0XC004F213 and activated your Windows.